Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off this video by apologizing that it's a little dark here. It's kind of wet and rainy today, so I'm not getting that natural light effect that I normally get. And my kids broke my light bulb on my light stand. So this is as good as it's gonna get for today. But have you ever wondered about Ipsy? Because I know I have. So I got a subscription. So it came in the mail today. I literally just got it like 2 minutes ago. And this is the packaging it comes in. Really pretty hot pink, like Barbie dream house hot pink. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. Alright, so it just peels right open, real easy. And when you ooh, what else is in there? Okay, so, alright, the bag is now empty. And this stuff did not come in the makeup bag. I'm assuming it's because they would not fit. However, so this is the first thing I see is a Juice Up Blackberry mask and a Juice Up Kale mask. Face masks, oh yeah. I am very excited to try these. Here's the blackberry and the kale. All right. Now, every month you are supposed to get a cute little makeup bag. And I even noticed it says Ipsy right there. Kind of cute. This looks like a peachish sunrise kind of color with a yellow outline. So when we unzip it, let's see what's inside. Alright, so the first thing I'm pulling out is a volume spray by Away Hair Care. I hope I said that right. It's completely sealed in plastic. Here we go. And it is 0.84 fluid ounces. Alright, so I'm kind of excited to try this out. Sometimes my hair falls flat and a little extra volume never hurt anybody. Alright, the next thing I am pulling out is, well, I'm guessing it's packaging. Confidence Level Selfie with No Filter. Okay, so it's just kind of telling me how to use the face mask. And apparently I also get a 30% cash back when I shop at Ipsy.com. Alright, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Huda Beauty, a liquid matte lipstick in Bombshell. So this is how it came packaged. Oh, I am so excited to try this out. I actually might wipe off the Smashbox I'm currently wearing and try this out because I went with a natural nude look today and I think this color would be fantastic. So we're gonna open it up. Oh, nice. So it just slides right out. Ooh, it's got like a frost look to it. Unscrew the cap and there you go. There it is. Beautiful. Let's see. Oh, that is such a pretty color. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. I am beyond excited for that right now. Alright, the next thing I am going to pull out of my Ipsy bag is something called Foiled Again Foil Eyeshadow by The Balm. Kind of looks like a superhero thing. So this is what it looks like. And if you open it up, it is in the shade Locked Up. Kind of a gray silver shimmer thing going on. Put a little on my finger. Ooh, that is pretty. Very, very pretty. Alright, and last but not least, I have Pixie by Petra. Came packaged like this in some bubble wrap with a sticker. We're gonna unseal that. And it is some Peach Honey Beauty Blush Duo. Alright, it's sealed up and I don't have my knife with me, but here it is. See if I can't get that glare to go away. Not really working. Okay, let's see if I can get it open. Oh, and I did. So we're gonna unscrew this top. No smell, but there are the shades. Oh, look at that. It's so freaking shimmery. It is so pretty. I bet I could even dub this as a highlighter. And now I'm kind of sad that I've already done my makeup for today because I would love to try this out. So I am excited to get all of that tomorrow. And now Ipsy is only $10 a month. You get the makeup bag every month. You get a color pop-in makeup bag. Then you get several full-sized makeup products. And it's delivered right to your door. I mean, how can you not go wrong? I just got Huda Beauty, Away, Pixie by Petra, and Serious Lab for You face masks, and from The Balm. So when you can't afford makeup like I can't on a regular basis, these subscription boxes are amazing. And now I am pretty excited to get my next one next month. I've also subscribed to BoxyCharm, which that video was uploaded yesterday. And I'm thinking I like BoxyCharm more. They have the better products, but I am not complaining with this. Hello, I am so excited to use this stuff. Natural, beautiful. I cannot wait to play with this and see what kind of looks I can come up with. So if you liked my video, subscribe, comment down below on what kind of unboxings you would like to see or reviews you would like to see, and I will do my best to make it happen. As always, have an amazing day, and I will see all you lovelies later. Mwah.